Hey everybody, welcome to my new YouTube video about Indating application. Today I will show you how to set a profile picture in Indating application. Firstly, just open it up and now click on the three lines button at the top left. Okay, now in this list you can find the profile button, just click on it, and on this page you'll see how your profile looks like. Okay, now at the very top you can find three tabs: profile, photos and gifts. You have to go to photos, and here you can easily add your photo. Just click on the add a photo button. Now just select the necessary picture, for example this one, click on it, just wait a bit, and that's all. Now you can go back to the profile tab, and there is your profile picture. Hope my video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.